my name is Monica Michelle Bachlet. However, most people know me as Michelle Bachlet. I was born on September 29, 1951. Showing I am important because I was the first woman president of Chile and also the first woman to lead a big South American country just an institute from my life that I got my doctorate degree in 1982. I studied about children and public health before turning to politics. I could like to be remembered as a woman who improved childhood, schooling, and got more social help for the women and the poor. Did you know I could speak financial Spanish, English, German, Portuguese, and French? Thank you. Have a nice day.